Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video here, we're going to go through our monthly Feb 2025 P&L and forex journal. So basically this month, guys, in terms of a stat, we had a win rate of 25%. We have had an average risk to reward of 4.08. We had a total risk to reward RR multiple of 1. But we had a total P&L of negative $730.41 Australian. And we're going to walk through why that happened. So this month was a month of still learning, right? It's quite a sad month, to be honest, because 2 errors in position size costed me a lot of money, right? This could have been an easy win for the year, and this is the reason why I've marked this up as a reminder as well. So basically what ended up happening, guys, was I was in a US 30 position. I got into a silver position on incorrect lot size, which pretty much blew my account out, took me out instantly, right? As a result, I added in another $2,000. I took another trade on that exact silver trade that blew, exact same trade, right? Because it was a valid trade. That didn't work out, which is fine. I'm happy for this loss, not at this loss. And then we entered an AJ trade, which did win, but we got the incorrect position size for this one as well, which was a winning position size, which fucked out our P&L. So let's just go through the actual trades first. We took a trade on Tuesday in the morning on US 30. So what did I see here? Well, on the daily we did reach all-time highs. We, at least at the time, it was very fundamentally driven, very bullish for the indices, especially for the US markets. We had a big engulfing candle here, right? I got in position after this 4-hour engulfing. It would have been a daily rejection wick here, which I was happy to take. We had good economic news. We had decent technicals. I'm not happy that we're taking a trade at all-time highs, but at least on the 4-hourly entry, it was good. We had a big rejection from a previous area that had a hammer candle. So I was happy to take that. Very, very happy to take that. That trade lost, obviously. Even in the long run, it did lose. Sorry, did lose in the long run, tanked down. And we know right now US 30 is tanking down, but at this point in time, I was happy. I give it a B rating for that one. But my comments was, it was a good trade at the time. USD had good fundamental news, which was strong economic readings, decent jobs data prior to the inflation readings being so hot. Technically nice setup as well, I said. Well, technically, at least now that I look at it, not the best setup, but you know, good enough. Took an L on that, so it is what it is. Now this silver trade here, so these 2 trades are the exact same trades. This one obviously blew up because of the lot size, right? If we actually go to the chart, quite a nice chart, I liked it, right? So we had a break of this consolidation area here. We came back down. We had an engulfing of this at that area where it broke out from. I popped my stop under all of this structure here as well, just to be safe. It obviously tanked down, it didn't work well. We were in an uptrend, so technically I was happy. I give that an A setup, technically. Like I said, this one blew, so we've already had 2R here lost, and the original trade here lost again. So that's 3R gone right now. Last trade here, AJ, perfect trade. I absolutely love this trade. So basically what ended up happening, guys, was we had a 4-hour consolidation, right? Price was just picking up. We had a pump down from that, break a structure. Obviously, fundamentally, we had yen being very bullish. So we had price come back up. As price came back up, it did give us this 4-hour beautiful hammer candle. We popped our stop above this structure here. It pumped down, we trailed out for 4R for that one trade. Like I said, wrong position size, angry at that. Should have been more on that P&L, but it is what it is. So what ended up happening is statistically we are up 1R, but P&L wise we're down $730. If we played things right, now this is the big reason why I put this here, because it's going to be a reminder for me. Hopefully you guys don't make the same mistake, because if we got this right, if we didn't have this trade here, we take that out, we had the normal lot size, we would have been down 1R here, 1R here, 2R, we would have been up 4R here, especially if this lot size was proper. So theoretically we should be up 2R if we just played basically systematic error, not even trading error, systematic error. We would have been up 2R, we would have a win rate of 33% compared to 25%. We would have still had the average risk to reward of that win as 4.08, and our P&L would have been 600 compared to negative $730 because of that error. If, and again I know this is still early days, but if we did have this, it would have negated this loss here on UJ. We would have been up 1R for the year. So 1 up for the year compared to 0R for the year. And then in terms of P&L wise, compared to pretty much negative 3.5 if I'm risking 300 Australian dollars. So from meant to be up 1R, meant to be $300 in profit, we are now negative, yeah, almost negative pretty much 1.1k out of being positive $300. So just a learning opportunity for me this month. I'm not fussed. This is all money that I can lose, I can afford to lose. This is still me learning per se. Our March is actually starting very hot. We're currently trailing it in a win for gold. We are in a trade for UJ that's not looking too hot, but look, the position on gold's doing well. If all things goes well with gold and trailing gold, we most likely will be profitable this month. And again, if this was played correctly, if this ends up doing well, we would be up 2 positive months out of the 3 for Q1, which was really, really good. 2 greens, 1 red month. Happy with that. So just a little video, guys. I will catch you on the next one.